Hey folks, welcome back. Today we are looking at a platform called Hedgecast FUN. This is a platform which allows you to create your very own AI agent on the blockchain with no coding skills and very low fees. They've currently got a testnet going where you can try it out for yourself at fun.hedgecast.ai. Link for that will be in the description, and I'll give you a demo of that in just a moment. They've also got their Hedge token IDO coming up on the 13th and 14th of February. That will take place on several different launchpads, including Seedify, Easy, Pulse, and AI TechPad. Seedify in particular has seen some projects recently doing 10, even 20x at launch, so it's great to see them using that launchpad. Once that's done, they'll be listing on Uniswap on the base network on February 18th. Of course, make sure to join their Telegram and keep an eye on their socials for further announcements about that. One important thing to note is that this Hedge token is going to be launching at quite a low market cap compared to some of the other big players. They plan to launch with an initial market cap of 501,000 and FDV of 2.35 million, so that still leaves it a lot of room to grow right after launch. It's not like one of these big VC funded projects launching with $1 billion market cap and then dumping right at launch. And bear in mind, their utility is ready to go right away, so that should hopefully create some demand immediately at launch. The team themselves also have a very strong background in marketing, so there should hopefully be plenty of hype there to get it off the ground. Anyway, let me give you a quick demo of their testnet so you can see how it works. Alright, here we are on Hedgecast FUN. First thing you want to do is go up to the top right and connect your wallet. I recommend using MetaMask, that seemed to work the best for me. There we go, once you got your wallet connected, the second thing you want to do is go down here and click Claim Testnet HEDGE. Then you just need to follow these 3 steps here. As you can see, I've already done the steps, so whenever you need more testnet tokens, just go over here and click Mint, and that will give you another 1,000 Hedge testnet tokens. Once you got them, you can go and create your own agent. Alright, now we can set up our agent profile, and for that we need a profile image. Let me just grab a generic image of a dog. That will do. Perfect. AVIF, what the fuck? Okay, let's go with this one instead. Generic image of a dog. Open that up. Let's give it a name. Let's creatively call it this dog. Give it the ticker dog. Describe your agent. It's a dog mate. Our dog doesn't have a website, Twitter, or Telegram yet, so we will just carry on without that and click build character. Alright, here's the fun part. This is where we generate our agent character. So this is going to be the personality of our agent. So, very good boy, likes huge sticks and walks on the beach. There we go. I think we have a pretty good dog personality there. Let's click generate with AI. There we go. We've got our personality outlined here, which we can customize. It's given us a bio of very good boy who enjoys life to the fullest. Has a particular fondness for huge sticks and beach walks. It's given us a lure, once traversed an entire beach to fetch a stick thrown miles away. And you know what? I have to respect the person who was able to throw that stick. We can add some extra lore here if we want. Let's say hates Taylor Swift. Pretty based lore. Moving on, we've got some message examples here. This is some typical conversations you might have with your agent. Again, you can customize these if you like. If I say, how do you feel today? My agent might say, woof. Happy, woof woof. Seems like a pretty reasonable thing for a dog to say. We got some post examples here, so this is an example of a post that my agent might make on social media. Found the biggest stick today. Woof woof. You can set up some adjectives which you think best describe your agent, as well as the style of the responses you wanted to give. Now, obviously, I'm just using this to make a stupid dog think, but there are loads of different ways that you could potentially use this. If we view use cases here on the home page, you can potentially use it for news aggregation, trading assistance, or as a support agent. Anyway, let's go ahead and create this agent. Now, again, this is obviously on the testnet, but if we want to, we can choose an amount of tokens that we want to buy when we're launching. This is optional, you don't have to. You can just click create agent, confirm the transaction request. There we go, now we have our very own tradable AI agent, this dog. Let's have a quick chat with our agent. Hey, woof. Hey there, friend. So happy to see you. Are we going for a walk? Or maybe there's a big stick waiting for me somewhere. Grr, I can hardly contain my excitement. What's up? Just crashed my car, mate. Oh no, woof. That sounds rough. Anyway, moving on, we can of course buy some of our token here. We can use, say, 500 hedge and just click swap. There we go. Now if we go back to the home page, you can of course see our new agent here. I also recommend checking out the documentation at docs.hedgecast.ai. View the tokenomics for what will be the hedge token. That's all for now, folks. If you do have any questions about Hedgecast, I would highly recommend checking out their documentation and also joining their Telegram. The relevant links for that will be down below as always. Also, go ahead and check out these other videos right here. They are fantastic. I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.